Hello and welcome to MEE TV, here with Alfanar, and from Alfanar of course, Rayad, welcome to MEE TV.
Welcome, Andy.
Good to be talking to you this year. I want you to give me some background before we get into the detail, background on Alfanar.
Actually, Alfanar, it's a Saudi company. The main domain for this company, it's energy sector industry, starting from engineering and design. Then we are talking about also the manufacturing facility, and on top of that, we are main player in construction field as well.
And when we look at that construction field and being a main supplier, we're talking about smart grids and smart metering as some of your new product lines.
Exactly. Actually, that's being a main player in energy sector. This means that that you have to be in line with the new directions for the energy industry. One of that one, that's being smart. I'm talking about smart grid as well. And in addition to that, we are talking about renewable energy, where as a manufacturing for that one, we have to provide a full portfolio in this regard.
And I'm going to talk to you about the Internet of Things, of course, IoT. What impact is that going to have, do you think, on the energy sector?
Actually, whenever you are talking about, by the way, I'm talking about 2 points, which is related to the smart and renewable, and the last and the third pillar, which is related to the home automation, where the main item in this one, the IoT.
And the impact for that is going to be significant.
For sure. That's the digitalization approach in this segment. For sure, you are looking to push such kind of OIT to be the main drive to be implemented.
And now let's discuss renewables. So I know that you're working on a renewable power project development, aren't you?
Yes, actually, Alfanar for the last 3 years, once they introduced and enter to this business, they perform more than 1.4 giga, which is big, which can be considered that's a benchmark for such kind of sector.
And if we were to get our crystal ball out and look to the future for the next 2 years, what do you think is going to be the biggest change in your industry?
I think the deployment of renewable energy, it's a must. Talking about the smart as well, everybody knows about the KSA and GCC approach to have smart meters. I think that's the both sectors, or let's say both directions, it will be to some extent be sure that within 2 years it will be impacted too much.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for your insight, Rayad.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Goodbye.
Now, for the latest, of course, on everything from Alfanar and indeed everything from the show, you'll find the latest at middleeast-energy.com.